Hello and welcome everybody. Jerry with 3DHP here, and I'm going to work in Vistasculpt today and do another carving on my CNC out in the garage. And today I think I'm going to do, let's see, the image to relief, generate AI image. Now let's see, what can I say here? Wavy American flag. Wavy bicentennial. Liberty Bell in center. With Liberty Bell in center. Saying 1776. $2026. Now let's see what that gets me. Generate. Not sure about that. Looks kind of funky. Let me hit regenerate. Let's just see what happens if I just regenerate it. See if it comes up with the same thing, or it does. Yeah, it's about the same. Let's okay, slightly wavy American flag with Liberty Bell in center, saying 1776, 2026. And generate. You got to keep coming up with different combinations of words, what you want it to say to get your end result. Not sure if that's going to work for me, but this time I'm taping it live as I do it. I'm not making it in advance, going back and trying to recreate it. So, yeah, it looks pretty cool, sort of. It's too tall. I have to get stretched out a little bit, but that might work. Now the stars are all screwed up. Yeah, that's a shame. Let's regenerate it. That was close, but the stars are messed up. And it's not just a flag, it's got a border around it. Yeah, a little better. Okay, let me hit apply. I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to have to reset the sizes. Smooth surface, remove background. Let's see. Remove background. And quality high, optimize. Depth scale. Let's generate. And this might take a couple minutes, so if it takes too long, I'll just speed ahead a little bit. Yeah, I was looking at the flag as if it was a background too. Just showed the bell, so yeah, I'm not sure if that's going to work out. Accept model. Length. I've got a small piece of 3/4 MDF I want to how to fit this on. We'll see how it works out. So we're going to go length. Go down to 12. Height. 9 3/4. Thickness 0.75. Well, let's give that a shot and see what happens. Let's hit export 3D. Call it Vistasculpt flag. All right, let's jump in Carveco Maker. Width 12 by, let's say 9 3/4. Start in the bottom left corner, it's going to be in inches. And resolution cranked all the way up, that'll work. Got a relief, import 3D model. Drag that out of the way. Center it. Yeah, that's not going to work out. Let's see. Yeah, I'd have to cut it out. Well, we can experiment with it and see how it comes out. Then we paste it. Now it's there to stay. Let's go to Toolpath 3D. Do the whole relief. Finishing options, let's go grab a bit. Use one of my Jenny bits as always. 1/16 inch skinny Jenny tapered ball nose. And roughing options. 1/4 inch downtown Jenny. Feed rate. try 175. That'll be tool number 2. Feed rate 175. Material 3/4 of an inch. Vista flag. Calculate. It says both take 17.39 minutes for roughing and 56.29 minutes to finish. Total time, 1 hour and 14 minutes. I don't believe that, but I guess we'll see what happens, right? So we need to save these. We go ahead and go here. Okay, let's take the finishing bit, move that out of the way. Highlight the downtown Jenny. Let's give that a unique name called Vista Flag. Vista Flag Rough. And we'll save it. Then we're going to move that one out of the way. Take the 1/16 inch skinny Jenny, tapered ball nose, move that over to save it. Give that a unique name and call that Vista Flag Finish. And we will save it. Then we're going to load these up on a USB stick. Going to head out to the garage, load up G-Cinder on my computer, and we'll get this going on the big Genmitsu by Prover V2 XL 1300 by 1300. Came out amazing. And this whole thing was ported to the AI image. I wanted to go back and cut it out, do a profile cut, but it wouldn't let me do it. So I'll just leave it like that. It's fine. In the future, I'll take that into consideration when I make it an AI. The Vistasculpt, awesome program. Genmitsu, my CNC, my bits were Jenny bits, and my software I was using was Carveco Maker to process everything, and then G-Sender to control the CNC. So I hope you guys like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And link down below if you want to go and try out Vistasculpt. Later now. Bye.